Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Disney Plus subscription. Now, you need to know that we cannot actually do this process through using the application, but in this video, I'll show you the steps. You can do it on your browser, on your computer, on your iPhone, Android, or even on your TV. So now the first thing you should do is to simply open the application itself. We will not cancel the subscription from the application, but I'll show you how we will do it. Then you should make sure that you are logged in using your account. Then you should click on the bottom right corner here on your profile picture. Then once you get to this page, click on account, and here it will show you here down below the account details. You have here a section called subscription. It will show you exactly which plan you are subscribed to. You just have to click on it. Click on this right here. Then it will redirect you to the browser, as you can see, in order to do more modifications on your subscription. So you can go directly to Disney Plus on your browser, log into your account and do the same steps, or you can simply do as I did and go to this page through the application itself. Then what you should do here is to simply click on the subscription that you have. Click on this R right here beside the plan name. Then here you will find the plan and all the details about it. You have to scroll down. Here you can actually click on change and change the bundle or the plan that you have, or you can simply scroll down more, and here you will find this button, cancel subscription. Tap on it. Then here, as you can see, they will ask you if you want actually to cancel the subscription, keep the subscription, or even switch the plan. Click on continue to cancel. And here they will ask you again if you want to cancel the subscription, and then they will show you some of their movies just in order to keep you as a customer. Just click on cancel subscription, and after that, your subscription will be canceled. And now to understand the billing cycle, if you cancel the subscription after you paid the bill, you will not refund the money. You will not be able to get the money back, but you will continue with the subscription till the end of the month. And after that, they will not take more money from your own payment method. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.